Welcome to the world of women's fashion, where you can discover the latest trends and styles for every occasion. Whether you're looking for that perfect dress for a night out or a casual outfit for running errands, we've got you covered. Our wide range of clothing options includes everything from elegant evening wear to comfortable everyday basics. With so many choices available, you can easily express your unique sense of style and stay on top of the latest fashion trends. So why wait? Start exploring our collection today and find your perfect look.
The beautiful season of spring is being showcased by our model in a lovely ensemble perfect for the blooming season. The vibrant colors and floral patterns are being noticed that truly embrace the spirit of spring. But that's not all. To ensure this outfit stays comfortable and chic, the Gym People women's long-sleeve shirts, tunic tops for leggings is being recommended by us to be paired with it. The link to purchase this versatile piece can be found by scanning the QR code now. It's lightweight, breathable, and offers just the right amount of warmth for those slightly chilly days. Now, all set to enjoy the blossoms in style. While neutral colors will continue to be a runway staple, brighter and bolder hues like lime green, hot pink, and electric blue are also going to be popular. Prints will be louder and more vibrant in 2023, from mixed prints to oversized florals, geometric shapes, and abstract patterns. Bold and graphic prints will dominate fashion and break the monotony of plain outfits. So that's it. These are just some of the trends that I think will be huge in women's fashion in 2023. What are your thoughts? Do you think these styles will stick around or fade away? Let me know your predictions in the comments below.